Indonesian pronunciation. Phát ini Phát介绍. Then we will introduce regarding the pronunciation sound of R, S, M, P, T, and their sample. And then we 这个是我们要介绍的哈，然后我们介绍说母音和色音的发音与它的历史。然后后来我们会then we will introduce regarding the similarity of the letter pronunciation. Then we will continue with the greeting. Okay. Okay, now we start with the letter R. Mu in R. The 发音在什么什么地方呢？在中间和后面。所以呢we introduce the pronunciation of letter R in the middle and the back of the letter. First is warta. So R, here is R in the middle. So the R is in the middle parts of this one. R in the middle, okay. R in the middle size. And the meaning is news. Warta means news. In Zhongwen, Xinwen. And then second, warna. The meaning is color. 颜色. Third, surga R in the middle. Paradise, 天堂. Nah, 第四个 kursi R in the middle. Kursi mean is chair or 椅子. Now we continue with the kartu R in the middle. Harta. So then we know a harta mean is treasure. Kartu mean card. Kursi mean chair. Surga mean paradise. Warna mean color. Warta mean news. Okay, this is the Chinese meaning. So it's 新闻, 颜色, 天堂, 一次, 卡片, okay, harta. And then we start with the back side, the back sound of the letter O. Sabar, sabar. Tidur, bubur. Kamar, kasur, pasar, lapar. Okay, this is the sound of R in the backs. Okay, so sabar mean be patient. Tidur mean sleep. Bubur mean porridge. Kamar mean room. Kasur mean mattress. Pasar mean market. Lapar means hungry. So this is the Chinese meaning. Okay. 有内心，睡觉，稀饭，房事，床单，市长。Okay, hungry, 饿了。Okay. Okay, now we continue to the sound S. The sound S. In the middle and in the back of. In the sound in the back of. Pesta. Pesta. S in the middle. Pasti. Resmi. Restu. OK， 什么意思呢？pesta mean party, pasti mean certain, resmi mean official, restu mean approval. Okay, approval. And then we find the sound of in the back of the sound, in the back of sound. Tikus, Kamis, kapas, panas, malas, bagus. Tikus mean red, Kamis mean Thursday, kapas mean cartoon, panas mean hot, malas mean lazy, bagus mean good. Okay, so this presentation we are introduce 我们介绍有关跟 S 这个 S 字母 S 在什么什么地方中间和后面的 OK， 在这个单词 pasti pasta pasti resmi restu 中间呢后面呢这个后面的部分 tikus kamis kapas panas malas bagus 所以的tikus 的意思是那个老鼠so tikus this is the Chinese meaning. Okay, this is in the English meaning of this word. Okay, now we continue the other part. Okay, now we introduce regarding the letter M in the back side, the back of the letter, in the back of the letter, and also in the middle of the sound in the letter. So 现在我们要介绍字母 M 的发音在它的后面和中间的这个单词 OK， 我们现在开始first we start with the letter M in the backs. M, kolam, salam, malam, jarum, harum, minum, hitam, garam. Okay, so kolam mean pool, salam mean greeting, malam mean evening, jarum mean needle, harum mean fragrant, minum mean drink, hitam mean black, garam mean salt. So this is the Chinese meaning. So each of this meaning you can see the meaning by yourself. And then we find the meaning, we find the sound M in the middle of the word lampu, jambu, bambu, lembu, sampo, kompor. Okay. Lampu mean lamp. Jambu mean guava. Guava. There is another azila. Guava. Okay. We forgot this guava. So bamboo, hawk, sampo, stop. Okay. So here we have one word here. We need to write here what we need to write here what is called, that one is guava. We need to word guava. We need to word actually. Here need to guava. Is a little bit wrong. Guava. Okay. Okay, now we start with another sound. Now we start with the sound P and T. Start with the sound P and T. P and T in the back letter of. Okay, in the back letter of P and T. OK， 我们现在要介绍有关跟字母 B、D、B 和 T 发音在它的后面。OK， 它的单词的后面。OK， 我们看它第一个 syrup up 是 sound P syrup kecap 在后面 hidup cukup gelap sedap harap. Okay, so syrup mean syrup. Okay, soya bean kecap, soya sauce. Hidup mean life, cukup mean enough, gelap mean dark, sedap mean delicious, harap mean bliss. So this is the Chinese meaning of the syrup. 酱油 ketchup. 生果 hidup. Okay. Cukup够 的 黑暗黑 sedap 好吃 harap 希望 OK 还有其他的这个好 now we start with the sound in the back T in the back sound of semut surat tomat sikat mulut takut sakit obat. Okay, semut mean ant, surat mean letter, tomat mean tomatoes, sikat mean brush, mulut mean mouth, takut mean afraid, sakit mean sick, obat mean drug. Okay, this is the Chinese meaning. Okay, 蚂蚁 xin 哎呀 OK 你们这个单词很简单，你们可以干直接干的。好，然后呢，我们看now we will introduce regarding the similar letter of pronunciation of pronunciation. Up, 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 ud, 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 ug, 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 e, l, r, l, r. Okay. For example, up in the letter of ba, pa, ba, pa. The letter of ad, da, ta, da, ta, ga, ka. Letter G and K. L and R. La, ra, ba, pa, da, ta, ga, ka, la, ra. Okay, one more. Ba, pa, da, ta, ga, ka, la, ra. Okay, this is similar pronunciation. You get similar letter of pronunciation. This mostly people is misunderstanding. Okay, to let you to more understand regarding the similar of the letter we have in Indonesia. Ab, ab, ad, ag, al, bapa, data, gaka, lara. Okay. Okay, now we continue with the here the sample of the sound. Up. For example, the meaning is book. In Chinese is su, book. So if you find this type of sound is when you find this one, the meaning of book is buku. Buku. This is okay. Buku is not right. Okay. This is not. This is wrong. Wrong. Buku, bugu, bugu, paku. Paku, bugu is wrong. Okay. Wrong letter. So the right one is buku. Okay, buku, buku. Okay, now we find the sound of ud, ud, ud. For example, tada meaning is sit. Okay, tada meaning is sit. In Chinese, chuo, sit. So you will see the letter do. Okay, is the right one. This is okay, right? So if you find this one, tuto is wrong. Okay, the other is dt. dt. dt is the meaning is in Chinese is pu. In English is now, also not. So in Indonesia we can find is tidak. This sound is okay. This is the right sound. Tidak. This is called. This sound is tidak. Okay. Wrong one. This is wrong sound. Okay. Now we another similarity of ug, ka, ug, ga, ka. Okay. Ga, ka. So the meaning here is sister. For example, the letter of sister, JJ, the letter of sister. So the right one is kakak. Right one. Okay, this is okay. So the meaning is here is sister is kakak in Indonesia. So it's okay. The sound is kakak. It's not we pronoun is gaga. It's not we pronoun. In Indonesia we don't pronoun gaga. Okay, it's wrong pronunciation. Okay, the another is the meaning is teeth. Yes. Okay, teeth. So in Indonesia is gigi. Is okay, right? This is the right letter, the right sound. But if you write kiki, okay, wrong sound. This wrong sound. Okay. And then another sample is put in English. In Chinese is jiao. So it's put. So the right in Indonesia, the right word in Indonesia is kaki. Kaki. Okay. Okay. But if you write gagi, is wrong. Okay. So you need to remember. Okay. Okay. We review another one. In review one more. JJ, who's a sister, mean kakak. Is not. 这个不对，gaga the right one，kakak。牙是 teeth gigi the meaning is gigi not kiki. Food kaki okay, gigi no okay. It's okay. So l in Chinese is 跑步 run, lari the meaning is lari in Indonesia. Okay, this okay. Okay, lali no sound is not right. Okay, so ja mean family 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 is in Indonesia is rumah lumah okay. Okay, but this is called is house actually. Ja can be rumah. Okay, now the other word is in Chinese is 现在 in English is now. The meaning is in Indonesia is the right one is sekarang. Okay. Sekarang. No. Okay. No. Okay. It's wrong. Wrong letter. Right letter. Okay. Okay. Now I will pronounce again another. Pronounce again. Run. The meaning is lari. Family. Rumah. Now. Sekarang. Okay, this is wrong one. So I want to make sure of this one. This one there is we can say this one family is house. Can be house. Okay, house. House. Okay, now we continue with the greeting. Okay, greeting. Continue with the greeting. So let's salam pembukaan. Greeting. Okay, in English greeting. So we used to daily life. We use this word. Pagi, selamat pagi. siang 或是 selamat siang. Sore, selamat sore. Malam, selamat malam. Selamat tidur. Okay. So mostly if we want to more respect, this is the normal pronunciation. This is we can use this is in pronunciation. This is more respect. If you more respect the people, we use selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam, selamat tidur. So the meaning is good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good night. Have a good night sleep. Okay. So evening, afternoon, good morning. Okay, the meaning. This is in Chinese. Selamat pagi, 早安. Selamat siang, 午安. Selamat sore, 下午, 午安. Selamat malam, 晚安. Selamat tidur, 晚安. Okay, this is in Chinese one. So now we need to